Hello friends, in this lecture we will see next operation, and that is the feature chamfer milling. And for feature chamfer milling we have to define a feature and one chamfer milling tool. So we will do both the things. First of all, I am going to create a new feature group. So click here and create new feature group, right click and feature editor. Then the same way what we have created in the previous lecture for rest feature area clearance or area clearance, feature area clearance, we have created the same way I'm going to create here. So first I'm going to use this side and click. I'm going to define from the bottom, and here the composite curve, click and change the direction. No, just cancel it. Again, for this we need a close profile, open profile, sorry. Okay, for side, if the profile is open then we use. Okay, right and accept, and feature group 20. Here we have to define the chamfer. My top is having some chamfer, so click here chamfer, and the chamfer width is 3.0 is the chamfer width, and angle is 45. So this chamfer is available here. Apply, cancel. Again I am going to create here. So feature bottom is my positioning, click here and make it close, and it is at the top, and here apply some chamfer. Chamfer is 3.0, accept. So feature group is done. Now I need to define a tool, so I'm going to use this taper spherical tool, and here 20 is the diameter, 45 because of chamfer having the 45-degree angle, so I'm going to use the same tool. Okay, and shank, add a shank, and length is 25, and again holder, click here if you want to edit it, and close. So this is my tool, and I'm going to use this for chamfer milling. So click here and feature chamfer milling. The feature we have created, tool is already done. Now click and feature. My feature is the third one. See, 1, 2, 3. We have the 3 feature group, so I'm going to use the third one. And work plane already done. Block, tool is this one, and tool number is 03. And feature, we can define axial extend with the help of cut, or chamfer extend or stock extend. We can define any one of the value. Okay, so it will create according to that. So click here, and number of cut, I want number of cut as 2, and step down 1, and the tool positioning. See, what is the tool positioning? See, from this top, and the tool top edge of the tool means this edge and this top. What is the distance between two you want to keep? I am selecting this one, so there will be a distance. Okay, we have these 2 different options, and where you want to position your tool you can specify from here. And this is the radial one, and from the this is the axial one. For radial, change it to top. Here if you want to create some extra cuts, so we can create, no problem. I'm going to use 2, and the step over same I'm using 1.0, and I want to finish it, and here in order, because we have 2 pockets where I want to create this chamfer, so we can make any sort of ordering. So by default it is the shortest path, so I'm going to follow this shortest path. Now calculate it, and come back to this one, and here we have radial. This is the radial direction, and from the top this is the axial direction. Okay, and click. First I'm going to show you okay, it is coming at the first one. Here just click, see some gap is there. So let's take the preview. First I'm doing this roughing operation. We have so many strategies to perform the same operation, so you have to decide whatever is most suitable for your component. Now the third one. Okay, so this is the chamfer milling that we want to show it, and here I'm going to verify it. So verify, this blue dot is representing that this tool path is safe now.